Good evening, everyone. Hope you're all doing fine. Another class of English phrasal verbs with the word take. Phrasal verbs are indeed very important if you want to speak better and if you want to create a good impression, then the phrasal verbs will be handy. And you need to know quite a few of them so that you may speak the way you want to speak. And everybody wants to speak good English. So today I have 10 phrasal words with the word take. This is part one, and we'll be taking you to another series of phrasal verbs and exercises as well. So today we are taking a look at the phrasal verbs with the word take. The first is take off. We all know you have been traveling by air. So when the plane takes off, it means the departure of a flight. Your flight can be delayed, your flight can be on time. So when did the flight take off? Well, our flight took off on time. The sentence is, our flight will take off in an hour. 1 घंटे में हमारा फ्लाइट जो है वो टेक ऑफ हो जाएगा, मतलब it is going to start the journey. To take off is to start a journey by air. So the next word is take after. Take after का मतलब होता है resemble करना, किसी से किसी की शक्ल मिलना, स्पेशली इन अ फैमिली. जब आप कहते हैं इसकी शक्ल इसकी मदर से मिलती है, एंड शी लुक्स लाइक अ मदर, और शी लुक्स लाइक अ ग्रैंड मदर, और ही लुक्स लाइक हिज फादर. लुक्स लाइक और टेक आफ्टर, टू रिजेंबल anybody in the family. She takes after her mother. तो टेक्स आफ्टर का सिर्फ एक ही मीनिंग होता है, किसी फैमिली में किसी से आपके शक्ल मिलना. यू कैन टेक आफ्टर योर फादर, इट मीन्स यू लुक लाइक योर फादर. आपकी सूरत आपके पेरेंट्स से मिलती है, आपके मदर से मिलती है. तो द ओनली वर्ड इज द ओनली इडियम इज टेक आफ्टर. शी टेक्स आफ्टर हर मदर, मतलब उसकी जो शक्ल है वो उसकी मदर से मिलती है. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड टेक इज टेक डाउन. यू कैन टेक डाउन द वर्ड्स यू आर सीइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन, मतलब लिखना, टू राइट. The students need to take down important instructions. Means the students, उनको जरूरत है कि वो important instructions को लिख लें. You need to take down your schedule so that you may not forget. Take down, to write. Please take down the questions. Please take down the phrasal verbs on take. The next is take in. Take in, to understand. Do you take in? Did you understand? Do you understand? Sometimes the sentences. Sometimes it is difficult to take in everything that you hear. वो सब जो आप सुनते हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि आप वो हर एक लफ्ज को, हर एक बात को समझ पाए. तो it is difficult. Sometimes it gets very difficult to take in everything you hear. Take in, to understand. Take up. किसी चीज को शुरू करना. To try something new. You can take up singing, you can take up dancing. So he took up a new hobby. It means उन्होंने उसने कोई नई हॉबी शुरू की है. Take up study hours. Take up more time. It means you're doing something new. You're taking time. You're taking up a new hobby. आप किसी नए हॉबी की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. So you may be fed up of your guitar lessons. So you want to take up another hobby, or you want to take up to learn a language. Taking up a new language to learn, that will be good. So take up, to try something new. Take out, to get rid of something or someone. टेक आउट द गार्बेज, मतलब जो गार्बेज है, जो कचरे का जो डस्टबिन है, प्लीज टेक द डस्टबिन आउट। टेक आउट द गार्बेज फ्रॉम द रूम। टेक आउट का एक और मतलब होता है किसी पर किसी का गुस्सा उतर जाना। इट टुक आउट हिज एंगर, मतलब अपना अपना गुस्सा, अपना भड़ास, जैसे कहाँ गिरेगा आप, अब बहुत नाराज हैं, तो विल टेक आउट योर एंगर ऑन समवन। द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज टेक आउट, इट मीन्स किसी पर किसी का गुस्सा उतर जाना। He took out his anger on his son. Of this person, maybe he had a bad time in the office. So when he comes home, he takes out his anger to whoever is there, like his wife or his children. किसी पर किसी का गुस्सा उतर जाता है. To take out the anger. Take on. Take on is a word, it means to compete. When I say the students will take on each other in the debate, or the students took on, the take can be taken into any form. So take on, to compete. India takes on Australia today. It means the match, the cricket match between India and Australia. You see the headlines. India takes on Australia today. Be against each other to compete. The next take is take a back seat. To take a back seat means to keep a low profile, to occupy an inferior position. Back seat. Like we say, the backbenchers always gossiping and talking. So people intentionally कभी जानबूझ करके पीछे बैठते हैं just to stay away from the eyes of the teacher, but that's not good. To take a back seat, to occupy an inferior position. So we can ask you, why do you always take the back seat? आप क्यों चुप रहते हैं, आप क्यों लो प्रोफाइल रहते हैं, आप क्यों, आपका इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सनालिटी है, so you want to hide away from people, तो आप अलग बैठते हैं, you occupy, you take the back seat. The new student took a back seat because of his late admission. अब late admission किसी बच्चे का हुआ है, किसी student का हुआ है, so he may be new to the class or the friends, so he keeps quiet, he does not answer much. Because of his late admission, he may have to take another doubt classes maybe. तो वो क्या करता है, वो चुपचाप से कोने में बैठ जाता है, and he occupies a very inferior position, or does not answer and keeps quiet. So, but do not make this a habit. The new student took a back seat because of his late admission. There's another phrase, backseat driver. A backseat driver is a person who sits at the back of the car and he gives instructions to the driver. So he is the backseat driver. Somebody who does not work. The person is not driving at all. He's sitting at the back, but he is giving instructions to the driver to go fast, to go slow, to go left, or to go right. He is actually guiding it. He is driving in his mind. So that is why the phrase has come. To be a backseat driver, it means you are only giving instructions, you are not doing anything, but you're only passing on instructions. Otherwise, to take a back seat means to occupy an inferior position, and a backseat driver is a person who gives instructions, does not do anything. Take time. To allow more time to complete a given task. He was taking to allow, or he was intentionally taking. So there is no hurry. You can take your time. कभी कहते हैं, okay, take your time. So when you're driving home, so when the driver is very fast, हम लोग कहते हैं कि कोई जल्दीबाजी नहीं है, आराम से चलाओ. So there is no hurry. You can take your time, right? But then To take time means to you give yourself more time. Why are you taking so much time? Everybody has submitted, but then you're the last person and you have not submitted your papers in the examination. So you are taking too much time. आप बहुत ज़्यादा time ले रहे हैं. So allowing too much time, being allowed time, or you're taking, you're a little slow, so you're taking a lot of time. So there's no hurry. You can take your time. There is no hurry. You can take your time. Or you are taking so much time. You better hurry up. You can use it either ways. Number 10. Take place. The phrase actually means happens. This took place in the organization. The cultural event took place in the auditorium. कहाँ हुआ? It happened in the auditorium. It took place. The accident took place in the morning. So the accident took place in the morning at whatever time, at whatever place you can call. The accident took place in the morning at Kankarabagh. So take place, happen. Take into custody. Take into. So I thought of giving you 10, but then let us complete this. Take into custody means to be arrested. किसी को arrest कर लिया गया. Somebody has been taken into custody. So the culprit, the जो दोषी हैं, जो culprit हैं, the miscreants, the culprits were taken into custody. It means they were rounded off, उनको पकड़ लिया गया, and now they are taken into custody. Take into custody means to be arrested. Let us do the first 15. Take turns. बारी बारी से कोई काम करना. Take turns to do one after another. The students took turns in storytelling. Means the students took turns one by one. एक के बाद एक. The students waited for their turn in storytelling. That's all for today. Thank you.